Welcome. Welcome to Arati. Arati, offering of light. Please make sure you get comfortable into a posture which allows you to be both comfortable and focused. Enjoy your breath. Observe the natural flow of the breath. Let it become soft and deep. To open the Arati, for a couple of minutes we will offer light in the form of flames lit with wicks of cotton and ghee. This is the time to offer your intention. Traditionally, Arati is performed to specific universal principle. Today, Shiva is our chosen aspect. Shiva is the inner self of all. We are all sharing the same world. We are all the human family. We are sharing with all the living creatures on earth. We are the fresh wave of life in the sea of consciousness. We honor the self of all in the human heart, the self of all in nature. Keep practicing the awareness of equality consciousness. Welcome to Arati. After the waving of the light, we will chant the Shiva Arati. In this traditional song, we salute Shiva, who is dancing in the heart of all beings simultaneously. His dance is the cosmic play. Enjoy your breath. At the conclusion of the chant, we will meditate for 1 minute in silence, enjoying our breath.
Rupaya Jagadisha, Om Hara 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 Mahadev. Kayase Shikare Kalpadruma Vipine, Shiva Kalpadruma Vipine, Gunjati Madhukara Punje, Gunjati Madhukara Punje, Gunjavane Gahane, Kokila Pujati Kelati Hamsa Varilarita, Shiva Hamsa Varilarita, Rachayati Kala Kalapam, Rachayati Kala Kalapam, Nryati Buddha Sahita, Om Hara 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 Mahadev. Tasmi Lalita Sudeshe, Shalamani Rachita, Shiva Shalamani Rachita, Tanmadye Haranikate, Tanmadye Haranikate, Gauri Buddha Sahitam, Gridam Rachayati Bhusham, Ranjita Nijamisham, Shiva Ranjita Nijamisham, Indradika Sura Sevita, Brahmadika Sura Sevita, Pranamati Te Shisha, Om Hara 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 Mahadev. Vibhudavadurvahuyudyati Hrudaye Mudha Sahita, Shiva Hrudaye Mudha Sahita, Kinaranaganam Kurute, Kinaranaganam Kurute, Sakta Swara Sahita, Dinagata Tai Tai, Dinagata Mudha Angavadayate, Shiva Mudha Angavadayate, Kwana Kwana Lalita Venu, Kwana Kwana Lalita Venu, Madhuram Nadayate, Om Hara 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 Mahadev. Nunu Nunu Jayane Rachayati Nupuramushvalitam, Shiva Nupuramushvalitam, Chakravarte Pramayati, Chakravarte Pramayati, Kurute Tam Virutam, Tam Tam Lupa Chupa Taram Nadayate, Shiva Taram Nadayate, Angushtam Gurinadam, Angushtam Gurinadam, Lasya Katam Kurute, Om Hara 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 Mahadev. Karmura Dyuti Goram Panchanana Sahita, Shiva Panchanana Sahita, Trinayana Shashidhara Moli, Trinayana Shashidhara Moli, Vishadhara Kantayutam, Sundara Jata Kalapa, Pavakayuta Bala, Shiva Pavakayuta Bala, Damaruti Shulati Samkruta Jalarina Dayate Shiva Jalarina Dayate Nira Jayate Brahma Nira Jayate Vishnu Veda Ucharam Patate Iti Mrucharana Saroja Kamale Drutva Shiva Kamale Drutva Avalokayati Mahesha Shiva Lokayati Suresha Isha Madinatva Om Hara 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 Mahadev Rumde Rachayati Mala Pananamupamita Shiva Pananamupamita Pama Vipage Gita Pama Vipage Gauri Rupa Naviladita Sundara Sakala Sharire Rudra Bhasma Varana Shiva Kruta Bhasma Varana Karna Krishna Bhadvaja Rupa Para Shiva Shankara Rupa Tapakraya Harana Om Hara 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 Mahadev Jnanam Bharati Samaye Hrudaye Iti Krutva Shiva Hrudaye Iti Krutva Ramam Trijatanatan Ramam Trijatanatan Isham Abhinatva Sangita Devam Pratidina Patanam Yahurute Shiva Patanam Yahurute Shiva Sarvajuyam Gachati Harasajuyam Gachati Patyaya Shrute Om Hara 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 Mahadev Om Jaya Ganga Dara Hara Shiva Jaya Giridharisha Shiva Jaya Gauri Nata Tvamam Palaya Nityam Tvamam Palaya Shambho Krupaya Jagadisha Om Hara 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 Mahadev
Enjoy your breath. Enjoy your breath. If you haven't done so, When you feel ready, open your eyes. Keep practicing trust. There is an intelligence, a guiding principle directing life and the human world. Life and the human world will continue to evolve. As we continue to evolve ourselves, let's keep practicing trust and focus. Trust the intelligence in time, guiding the unfoldment of cosmic events. Trust the intelligence in time, guiding the unfoldment of the events in the world. Trust the intelligence in time, guiding the unfoldment of the events in your life. Everything happens for the best. Let's keep practicing focus, enjoying the breath. When you are not experiencing joy or peace of mind, let the breath take you back. Enjoy your breath. Keep practicing. Let the breath take you back to the ideal state of the mind. With trust and focus, lead your life. Om Namah Shivaya. Much love. Om Namah Shivaya. I honor my own inner self. I honor the inner self of all.